welcome back to Virtually BGCMC's Summer Camp video series, day 13. Can you believe it? We're almost done. All right, so today's activities are a baking soda and vinegar experiment with Miss Brisa, the second part of the soccer drills with Mr. Diego and Mr. Eddie, and finally, a painting cherry blossoms craft with Miss Heidi. But the twist, you're not going to be using a paintbrush. As always, we would absolutely love to see your activities. Please send them to virtual@bgcmc.org or go ahead and visit our website, virtuallybgcmc.org, and put a comment below any of the activities that I mentioned. And we'll catch you later. Bye!